guys to another video. We are showing you my dinosaur collection. This is a megalodon, but it doesn't know. It's rubber too. This is the Dilophosaurus. It sounds kinda tired. This is supposed to be a Dinosaurus like that. Okay. Now this is the most favorite dinosaur. My most favorite dinosaur is at this Brachiosaurus. It actually poops. Let's put this motor and this Brachiosaurus stomach. Now it comes from here. Yeah, it poops here. Now this is I call this frost dinosaur because it's blue in air. Now this is a squeaky dinosaur. This has battery, I think. It has glowing red eyes. Yeah, let's put that. Dimetrodon. It's a squeaky too. It's a squeaky. This is squeaky too. The Triceratops. It's neon. The Stegosaurus like that. Okay. It's a lion. It's a lion. A tiger. It doesn't squeak. Those two doesn't squeak. Another Dimetrodon, but it's broken. 1915 T-Rex. And I don't know what T-Rex is. It's a T-Rex, I know. Another T-Rex. That looks old. This is a Monoloposaurus. This is what's it called this? I don't know, it starts with a M. Another T-Rex. I put this here. And Shin Godzilla. It has articulation with it, even the arms, but the head doesn't articulate well. We got trees. Trees, another tree, and another tree. So many trees. Another tree, and a plant, and another Stegosaurus, but it doesn't squeak. Okay, now I don't know what call this is. It's the Stegosaurus. I know it's a Stegosaurus, but what kind of Stegosaurus? I don't know what this dinosaur is. Tell it in the comments. It's supposed to have wings, but another Brachiosaurus. Yeah, Brachiosaurus. Ankylosaurus doesn't squeak. Another of this. Oh, these are two Godzillas. Godzilla. I don't know what call this is. Just another Brachiosaurus. Triceratops again. Plesiosaurus. Yeah. And a Roblox figure that's just not. Oh, another Brachiosaurus. And the Velociraptor. And there's a Sinoceratops, is this? Yeah. This is a Carnotaurus or Dilophosaurus, like that. I can't focus. The camera can't focus. This like this. It stands like this. Yeah. It has a bunch of, like a mountain. Rajasaurus. That's not a Rajasaurus, I'm pretty sure. Why is there a rhinoceros there? Another Monoloposaurus. Brachiosaurus. Oh, the left leaves. And a snapping turtle. I think that's a dinosaur. And pterodactyl. And another Ankylosaurus brachio. I don't know what's that. It's like this, like that. I don't know. Another brachiosaurus and old Daimor and the plastic another like this, a T-Rex, a Carnotaurus, and a Stegosaurus with teeth. Guys, so this is what's inside the things. Yeah, bye guys, good luck.